Oh, it's such a beautiful day in the morning. I'm just gonna go see if I have any mail. La, 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 la. Okay, let's see here. Oh, okay, let's see. Nothing's there. I guess I'll just go back in. Oh no. Oh dear. What's that? I think I hear something. I don't. Sounds like a car. No, well, I just better be going back in. Hey, help me! Someone please help me! Oh! Oh no. Oh my goodness, are you okay? Do you need help? Should I call an ambulance or something? Yes, please do that. Okay, I'll call them right now. I think they're coming now. Is everyone okay here? Yeah, I think I don't know what happened. Can you tell us what happened, sir?
Well, this guy, this guy, he kind of ran me over. It was like an ice cream truck, I think.
Okay, so, do you want me to take you to the hospital? How hurt are you? Where does it hurt? Mostly my, legs and stuff. Please, take me to the hospital. Okay, I will do, sir. Let me just get something. All right, sir. Here, this might help. 1 second. Okay, sir, I'm gonna need you to, come here. I'm sorry, why would I tell you that? Okay, so, come here. Picks up. Puts in truck. Okay, sir, I'm gonna get you to the hospital. Bye. I hope you have a safe ride. Well, I better get going. I hope you enjoyed the show. I will make more videos like this, and hope you enjoyed. Bye.